Welcome to Exam Sale. This video explains the syllabus for the Dell VMAX 3 Solutions Specialist exam for storage administrators in a clear, practical way. This exam covers 6 domains with exact weights. Storage provisioning and management is 25%, remote replication is 22%, configuration management is 20%, local replication is 15%, business continuity is 13%, and fundamental concepts is 5%. I will walk you through what to learn in each domain, the expected difficulty, and the hands-on skills you will need. VMAX All-Flash and VMAX 3 storage provisioning and management is 25% of the exam and is rated hard with about 24 hours of study and hands-on plus conceptual assessment. You will learn how to implement storage resource pools and data pools, configure and manage service levels, and work with compression on VMAX All-Flash and VMAX 3. The syllabus also covers setting host I/O limits, monitoring SRP utilization and effective capacity, workload management and slow compliance, and practical device provisioning skills like creating storage groups, port and initiator groups, masking views, thin device creation and naming best practices. VMAX All-Flash and VMAX 3 remote replication is 22%, considered hard with roughly 20 hours of study and scenario-based assessment. This domain focuses on configuring and managing SRDF solutions, including SRDF-S for synchronous operations and SRDF-A for asynchronous long-distance replication. You will practice SRDF Metro for active data centers, manage SRDF device pairs and groups, perform dynamic SRDF operations and device swaps, and get an overview of SRDF star and multi-site topologies for real-world continuity scenarios. VMAX All-Flash and VMAX 3 configuration management is 20%, medium difficulty with about 18 hours of study and a mix of conceptual and scenario-based assessment. The focus is on installing and maintaining management software and hardware control utilities such as Solutions Enabler and Unisphere for VMAX and PowerMax. You will learn gatekeeper selection and requirements, Emetrics access control and GNS, managing the SIMAP database, and setting up Unisphere security and user roles to support secure operations and troubleshooting. VMAX All-Flash and VMAX 3 local replication is 15%, medium difficulty with an estimated 15 hours of study and hands-on plus conceptual assessment. This domain teaches TimeFinder SnapVX technology for local point-in-time copies, covering SnapVX architecture and terminology and how to create and manage snapshots and versions. You will practice linking and unlinking snapshot targets, implementing cascaded and secure snapshots, monitoring snapshot capacity and efficiency, and restoring data from point-in-time snapshots in lab scenarios. VMAX All-Flash and VMAX 3 business continuity is 13%, medium difficulty with about 12 hours of study and scenario-based assessment. Here you will plan and execute data protection and disaster recovery strategies by evaluating RTO and RPO, comparing local versus remote replication, and executing site-level failover and failback. The syllabus also includes integrating snapshots with backup workflows, managing consistency groups across arrays, and SRDF consistency group management for coordinated recovery operations. VMAX All-Flash and VMAX 3 fundamental concepts is 5%, easy with an estimated 6 hours of study and conceptual plus scenario-based assessment. This short domain covers core architecture and operating environment features, including identifying VMAX 3 and All-Flash hardware components, understanding the HyperMax OS environment and dynamic cache, and the front-end and back-end architecture. You will also learn about engines, directors, day configuration, and packaging and licensing models to ground your practical skills in the platform's fundamentals. That wraps up the syllabus overview for the Dell VMAX 3 Solutions Specialist exam for storage administrators. Focus your study time according to the exact percentages, combine hands-on practice with conceptual review, and prioritize the hard domains to maximize your readiness.